Hi guys, if you want to enable preview pane in File Explorer on Windows 11 like this, then let's see how to do it. To enable preview pane in File Explorer, first of all right click on the Start button and then go to File Explorer. On the File Explorer, by default, here you will see the Details option. If you want to enable the preview pane here, for that, simply click on View option and now from here, select the option Preview pane. And the Preview pane window will appear. From now on, whenever you select a file, the Preview pane will display the contents which is inside the file. So once you enable the Preview pane, go to any folder and open any file. Now whenever you select any file, the file preview should display here. But in case, if you are selecting the file and if it is saying no preview available, then to fix this preview pane issue, simply click on this 3-dot icon and then go to Options. And now on the folder options, go to View tab. And now here, under the advanced settings, you have to make sure this option is unchecked. Always show icons, never thumbnails. Make sure this option is unchecked and then scroll down and make sure this option show preview handlers in preview pane is selected. So simply select it and then click on apply and OK. And now you can see the preview pane is displaying the file's content here. You can see whenever you select any file, it is displaying the file's content here. And in case, if you want to hide the preview pane, simply click on this preview pane option and the preview pane will be minimized. And now, whenever you select any file, you will be not able to see the preview pane. You can see. And whenever you want to see the preview pane, again click on it and preview pane will appear. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily enable preview pane in File Explorer on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.